Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I'm here in Nashville at an expo for lawn care products, all kinds of products here. It's a great, huge expo. It's really exciting, and I'm here with Raymond from Corteva, and we want to talk about pre-emergence. So, what would you recommend? Corteva manufactures a lot of these different products that people are using for
Yes,
for their pre-emergence fertilizers or post-emergence, whatever it is. So what would you recommend for the average homeowner that's going to go out and buy their own product and do it themselves? What should they look for in a pre-emergent?
I think one of the things that's a big benefit for homeowners is to look for a product that's not going to stain. And there's a couple of products like that. One is Dimension, it doesn't stain, and then another one is Gallery. Then you want to look for the spectrum of weed control that you need. Dimension being largely a grassy weed control product with some broadleaf activity, and Gallery are being a broadleaf pre-emerge, and so you want to look for the spectrum that you need.
Okay.
And then the third thing is you want it to be safe on your turf. And both those products are safe on St. Augustine, Bermuda grass, zoysia, and including ryegrass for overseed. So if you've overseeded your lawn, it'll be safe on those too.
Okay, great. So Dimension and Gallery, and you can find there's actually a lot of different products that contain those types of pre-emergents, correct?
Yes, sir. We sell them to lawn care companies like yourself, Luke, in bulk packaging or larger packaging, but we also sell them to some of the consumer companies like VPG, who makes the Fertilome and high yield products, and they sell both those products through local garden centers and farm stores in your area.
Okay, great. And then what if you wanted to get both ends of that spectrum? You wanted to get grassy weed control and broadleaf. Could you do both of those applications at
Yes.
once?
In the professional business, you might mix those together in a spray tank. For the consumer business, we usually sell those as granules, and what I would recommend then is to put one out and then follow up and put the other one out subsequently, because you want to make sure you get the right amount of both of them, so you don't want to mix them together to put them out, because you might get more of one and less of the other, and so forth.
Okay, great. Well, that's great information, and I'm assuming that's for both fall and spring pre-emergent. You could use it either time, couldn't you?
Fall and spring are both good. The Dimension's particularly good on crabgrass and POA, so crabgrass in the spring, POA in the fall. Gallery works very well on our winter weeds like henbit and chickweed, and then it also works on our summer weeds like spurge.
Okay. Well, great. Well, I appreciate it a lot, Raymond. As you heard, look for a product with either Dimension or Gallery in it when you're picking your pre-emergent for this fall. Don't forget to get that done. This is an extremely important application. It's going to set you off on the right foot to start the 2019 lawn care season, as we've already talked about. So that's it. I hope that helps. Have a great day.
Thank you.